Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're looking at Nvda, AMD, and Tesla on the daily, weekly, monthly time frames. We use technical analysis here at StockBookie.com. So we talked about this pivot on our last video. It could be some support unless we maybe gap down over it, then possibly go a little lower. Never did. Held up pretty good. Today we had a great reversal back to the trend line here, which we broke, and it looked like, wow, let's see if this is for real. Got some buy the dip today, light volume rally, goes right back up. If you're bullish, you got to keep ripping. You got to get above these trend lines. You got to get above the 50 and the 20 MA, fill the gap, and then push. You know, I want to see more volume too, some conviction volume here. Right now, it's still a little bit light. We're coming off this bullish pattern. Overall bearish, but slightly bullish. Failed, came right in, double bottom, like I said. Again, look for a pattern sideways. Let the MAs curl into price, then I would expect lower prices for the Nvidia. Again, earnings coming up, guys. 50-50. If we go up, you're looking to break double top here at 120. That's going to be huge resistance. But if it has earnings, it could gap over this. Who knows, guys? I have no idea. Earnings is a 50-50 shot, so be careful if you're in these stocks. But again, just looking at charts and patterns, this is slightly weak. Let's see if we get some follow through. But it was a great reversal up. Got to get, hats off to the Nvidia lovers. Comes in, still not out of the woods. Let's see what this thing does tomorrow. Or does it come right back down, test the lows, then start to continue its way lower? So again, not out of the woods, below the MA. Let's keep an eye on this one to see where this thing could get up to. Maybe even gaps right into this area tomorrow and tries to get through. Who knows at this point? Earnings coming up, so you got to throw that in the equation as well. So be careful with this one, guys. Don't load the boat if you're going into earnings. AMD, same thing. Got into this big area again. We talked about it. Good support. You have a gap filled down here. Pretty much filled it. Nice bounce today. Came up and filled the gap on the upside. Let's see if it can continue up. We always talked about got to keep above the MAs if you want it bullish and want it more up. Word action. Right now, just a little choppy. Kind of had a nice little pullback into double bottom, holding it. Look for a pattern sideways, guys. If this thing starts to go sideways, this 20 MA comes back into price, it's sending this one down. Okay, markets sell, this one's going down regardless. Markets catch a bid, just like it did today. Look, market's up. Guess what? This one up. Market goes down tomorrow, you'll see a negative day, unless you get news or something on this one. Earnings, of course, too. 50-50 shot. If this thing goes up, you got the 1622 area, and then after that, you got a couple areas up higher. But we'll look at this thing if it happens to crack through the 1555 and then the 1622, and then go from there. Again, 50-50 earnings, guys, could go up or down. Right now, on the charts alone, without earnings or any news, it's looking slightly bearish down here. Starting to do a little bit of consolidation. Again, I got to see another 5-10 days on where this thing goes or if it retraces up. So still a little bit weak below the MAs. Right at the pivot. Let's see how it reacts with the markets in the next couple days. Everything's a market trade, guys, right now. Markets go up, these are most likely going up. Markets go down, they're more likely to go down unless some news or Elon tweets or, you guys know the drill. So TSLA, Tesla. So everyone's expecting this thing to go up today because, oh my gosh, they had a great day. They're making semis now. Comes right back in. And actually, it's down a little bit after hours. They had some news or something with the battery plant. I don't know. But it was down a little bit. So keep an eye on this. But I like the fact that it did reverse, came back in. Now it's consolidating in a slight bearish manner. Still bullish above the MAs, so you have to respect that. But let's see how long this thing holds up. Again, earnings coming up. Could go any way, guys. So at this point, it's a 50-50 shot. If you are in the money or, going up on this move here, yeah, I don't know. I would take something off the table. If it, maybe if you have a big position, pull half off. Ride it into earnings. If it goes up, so what? It's going up without you. But if it goes down, then you can at least take the money that you sold up here, buy it at a cheaper price, and then do it again, Because honestly, who knows, guys, with this stuff. Netflix had earnings. It was okay, I guess. I don't know. We're going to know more tomorrow. But market sell, I think everything's going to kind of drift. So just be careful in these markets. But again, Tesla, you know what? Going into earnings at the highs, you better have good stuff coming out. If not, maybe a gap and a crap. But keep an eye on these high flyers, guys. If they don't have really, really good earnings, I have a feeling they're all going to just kind of chop, 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 and then start to fall with the market. So not that it's going to happen, but at highs, anything can happen. We're going to see Netflix tomorrow, like I said, and we'll see how that reacts to the earnings, which I guess it was okay today. So and that's about it, guys. You got to follow the SPY. SPY goes up, this stuff tries to claw its way up. This one was down a couple bucks today, but had a nice move on Thursday, so you have to respect that. Just kind of a pause day while everything else kind of rallied today. So Tesla, guys, nothing wrong, still above the MAs, but going into earnings again, light positions, don't go nuts. Could go up or down, but at this point, really not giving us much other than above the MA, slightly starting to get bearish. I need more evidence, another 5 days, 6, 7 or so, and then see where this thing, if it retraces or just keeps chopping, and then maybe, just maybe pulls in. But again, it's a market trade, earnings coming up 50-50. I'm going to keep saying that, guys. Sorry to be a broken record here, but all right, I think that's it for today with these. Not much to talk about. Watch for earnings, like I've been saying, and then take it from there. Slow and steady, guys, through earnings season. Don't take these huge, stupid positions at the 50-50 shot. Stocks can go either way. Just play decent-sized positions if you want to give it a 50-50 shot like the casino. So, all right, guys, thanks again for watching the videos. God bless. See you on the charts.